Whether you're racing, riding, or pedaling, chances are that you pay top dollar for your helmets and you care about keeping them in good nick. Bugs, tar, and road grime can be a huge pain to clean, especially after they dry up and bake themselves in. Luckily, there is an easy fix to stop this from being an issue. What's up guys, I'm Ayman, and today I'm going to run you through the simple and easy steps to safely ceramic coat your helmet yourself at home without any fancy tools. It only took me a few minutes to coat this helmet right here, and after watching this video, it's going to be just as easy for you to do. So let's get stuck straight into it. A good quality job starts with the right prep. So we need to make sure that your helmet is perfectly clean and free from any dirt, bugs, tar, or grime. If the helmet is brand new, remove any stickers that might get in the way. Remember, take your time to clean your helmet and be gentle without using any aggressive cleaners that might damage your helmet. And if you can't get your hands on some high quality, low solvent cleaners, just use some warm water and some pH neutral washing soap and a brand new soft microfiber cloth. Like I said right at the start, there is no need for any fancy tools, and all you need to do this job is your helmet, a bunch of soft brand new microfiber cloths. I personally always like to use brand new cloths to avoid any contamination or scratching, a low solvent, low VOC, high quality ceramic coating that's safe on plastics, composites, or carbon fiber, and a gentle low solvent surface prep spray to remove any waxes, greases, or fingerprints that might be on your helmet. Finally, if it's not included in your ceramic coating kit, you are going to need an applicator pad and cloth to apply the ceramic coating. And don't stress about writing any of this down, because everything I'm showing you today is going to have links in the description below for you to reference later on. But an important reminder to stay away from cheap stuff full of solvents, because the solvents might weaken the structural integrity of your helmet, compromising its performance if you have an accident, and we definitely don't want that. And with that out of the way, let's start the coating process. The first thing you're going to need to do is grab yourself a fresh brand new microfiber cloth and your low solvent prep spray, and give the helmet a good wipe down to remove any oils, waxes, fingerprints, or greases that might get in the way of the ceramic coating forming an ideal chemical bond to your helmet. Again, avoid any cheap wax and grease removers, because they're primarily made for metal panels and they're going to dry out and soften the adhesives in your helmet, compromising its safety in the long term. Remember, you're not stripping paint here. All you need is a gentle prep spray. Now for the fun part. Prime your applicator cloth so it's evenly damp with the coating to get good, equal coverage without risking any micro scratches. And working in overlap passes, take your time to completely cover everything on the helmet that you want to apply ceramic coating to. Every time you feel like the coating is drying up a little bit and the applicator cloth needs some more products, add a few more drops onto the applicator. But you shouldn't really need much more than what I'm showing you in this video, because what you're seeing in this video is literally what I used to coat this helmet right here. Just like the prep spray, a low solvent ceramic coating is critical for this step, because it's going to bond well with the helmet without damaging its structure. And because this right here is a premium helmet, I decided not to coat the visor, just in case the BMW factory have put something special on there and I don't want it to mess with the factory coating. Now, all you need to do is let the coating sit for a few minutes, and take the opportunity to hit the like and subscribe button for me if you're enjoying the video so far. Back to the coating, and once you see a light rainbow sheen, it means that your coating is ready for the next step. Use another brand new microfiber cloth and gently level the coating until you see no more smears and you don't feel any more resistance when you're wiping. How long you wait before wiping does really depend on the coating you're using, the temperature, and the humidity. But for what I'm using right here, which is IGL EZ, it's around 5 minutes. So it's not a big waiting time, and it's plenty of time for you to coat the helmet thoroughly. And when you wipe it off, don't think that you're removing the coating. You're only taking off the excess product that isn't needed anymore, so it cures evenly and looks great without any high spots. And the next step is super easy, but it's very important. Grab another brand new microfiber towel and do a second thorough wipe down. What this is going to do is it's going to catch any smears that you have left from the previous microfiber cloth and make sure that you don't have any high spots at all. This second wipe down is actually the pro detailer's tip and how pro detailers get a perfect ceramic coating application. And you're pretty much done. Most coatings are going to need a little bit of time to cure before getting wet, so I recommend leaving your helmet overnight before you use it to get the best results. And once the coating cures, the surface will become very hydrophobic and everything is going to be much easier for you to clean, just like your ceramic coating for your car. The bugs and dirt aren't going to stick as bad, and your helmet is going to look newer for much longer. And depending on the coating that you have used, you might also get some added benefits like chemical resistance and UV protection. Also, if you have any spare time and product, I recommend applying a second layer of coating. The second layer will give you even better durability and performance, and you will go over any spots that you might have missed in the first layer. All that's left to do now is enjoy your bike, ride safe, check out my next video for some more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching and catch you in the next video.